Okay, starting in chapter 7, we're talking about polynomials. Um, the first two slides that I'm going to show are just talking about the degree of monomials. Nothing really big that we're going to talk about from that. Here is this one thing you need to know. Writing something in standard form means that the largest exponent is first, and exponents go down as you go across. So you see binomials, trinomials, leading coefficients. Uh, so here we have, in example 2, we have 15x minus x cubed plus 3. And they want us to write it in standard form. So we're going to start with negative x cubed plus 15x plus 3. So the degree is the number of the exponent. So in this case, it's a degree is 3. The leading coefficient, even though there's not a number, is -1 because anything is that's 1 is just understood. You don't need to rewrite it. And I think that's all it asked for right there. What we're going to get into is we're going to get into adding. And adding polynomials, subtracting polynomials. So I'm going to rewrite this 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus x. So that's 1 plus 2x squared plus x cubed minus 1. So the thing you want to do is must add like terms. So that means the exponent must be the same, and that should have been an x instead of a 3. The exponent needs to be the same and the variable needs to be the same. So we have 2x cubed and we get 3x cubed. We have negative 5x squared plus 2x squared minus 3x squared. And then we have plus x minus 1. So that's one way you can do these problems. I'm going to show you another way. We have 3x squared plus x minus 6. We're going to go ahead and arrange this vertically. We have x squared plus 4x plus 10. We're going to get 4x squared plus 5x plus 4. Just simply you can do vertical, horizontal, it's all up to you. Just make sure that you're using like terms. Alright, now we're going to subtract. One thing to understand, when you have a negative in front of parentheses, all of the signs inside are going to change. So here we're going to have 4m squared plus 5 minus, so I'm just going to leave the minus sign off. I'm going to go inside. We're going to change this to 2n squared minus 2n plus 4. Now I'm going to combine my like terms, my n squareds. I have 6n squared minus 2n and I have 5 plus 4 plus 9. Once again, I have for b, I have 4x squared minus 3x plus 5. And then I'm going to put minus 3x squared down here. I'm going to add x, and I'm going to add 8, because all of the signs change because of the negative in front of the parentheses. We end up with x squared minus 2x plus 13. Alright, find the sum or difference, just some more practice. We're adding number 8 together. So I have b minus 10. I have 4b minus 3. That's going to be 5b minus 13. Number 9, I have x squared minus x minus 2 plus 7x squared minus x. We get 8x squared minus 2x minus 2. Number 10, we have p squared plus p plus 3. We're going to have plus 4p squared plus p minus 3. We're ending up with 5p squared plus 2p. And the 3's are going to cancel and become 0. Here we have negative k plus 5. We're going to be minus 3k squared plus 6. We end up with minus 3k squared minus k plus 11. Just be careful with signs. Make sure that you're writing it out so you can go back and check on things. Remember that anytime you have a negative in front of parentheses, all of the signs inside change.